Welcome to my 25 days of Christmas, day 8, pigs in blankets. Let's get it. Now, pigs in blankets, the honorary VIP member of a proper roast dinner. Only ever seen at Christmas, and that's when we're gonna make them. These pigs in blankets are super simple. We're talking about really nice cut bacon, 2 slices, top and tail in, straight down onto your greaseproof. Now, if you were around in the 90s and you were a bit of a Delia fanatic, you will know that she first brought these out and introduced them into the UK in the mid-90s. Same thing if you've just watched the Devils and Horsebacks video, pigs in blankets, same sort of story. You want greaseproof down onto the paper, doubled up in bacon, and then you roll out. This is just to help connect the 2 rashers of bacon and get it to a desired thickness. Now, it's about the bacon and the sausage, but there is one addition, one flavour that I love to put with it, and that's sage. So you get 2 leaves of sage placed diagonally across your bacon rashers. Now, some people use cocktail sausages for your pigs in blankets. I'm not really a fan of that. I'll go for a chipolata. Stick that down onto the bottom side of your bacon, and then you roll that bacon and sage around. So you end up with something that looks like this, and that is a sausage in a proper thick blanket of bacon. Sometimes people try and do the once round and then cut it off. The bacon is basically gonna shrink up, come off your pigs and blankets. You're probably gonna need to put a cocktail stick through there or something like that. With this, you get the best of both worlds. You get the caramelized bacon on the outside, and then you get that sort of soft, smoky goodness on the inside. So sausage on, chipolata on, and we roll. Same again with this recipe. As long as your sausages have got a good date on them, your bacon's got a good date on them, there's no problem with these hanging around in the fridge, covered by cling film for about 3 days. You can get these done in advance, but I would roast them on the day. There's nothing like a freshly cooked sausage. You can't be part cooking these and cooking them again later. They need to be cooked fresh on the day. Straight into a 180-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, you'll notice I don't put greaseproof or non-stick stuff on my trays. I like that little bit of caramelization that you get on the bottom of the tray, and I don't mind washing it up. But you can 100% put it onto greaseproof or a non-stick mat if you don't want to deal with so much washing up on the day. Now, Christmas dinner is just being served, and these banging pigs in blankets are fresh out of the oven. Sizzling, popping, crackling. You can smell the bacon, the light hit of sage. They just go straight onto a serving plate. Rumours of sage filling the air. We hit it with balsamic vinegar, little trickle, just over the top. I sprinkle this fruity black pepper, and as a hint to what you're gonna get, 1 singular sage leaf just placed on top. And that's it, simple and stunning, my banging pigs and blankets finished with balsamic, black pepper and sage. Ah, thank you all.